So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Yoast SEO plugin tutorial. And guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, so stay tuned. So if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I do a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online brand and earn passive income. So please consider subscribing. So now let's get back to it. So currently right now you have to go in plugins, click on add new. And by the way guys, I'm using Bluehost SEO. I'm using Bluehost hosting, one of the best web hosting. I have a 70% discount. Link is down below. So let's get back to it. So right now we are in plugins. We have clicked add new. Just click SEO. So I'll explain you the exact and the best settings for the Yoast SEO. Just click on install now. Once it's installed, just click on activate. Once it's activated, just click on settings, and then once you're in SEO general, just click on the configuration wizard. Just click over here, select option A, select a blog, select I'm a person, because if you're a person, select a person, select Yavar Khan, click on next, leave this as it is. Leave this as it is. I would always select this one. And then guys, voila, congratulations, you all are done. This is how you set up a Yoast SEO. Now I'm going to show you the most important settings in the Yoast SEO plugin. Once you're done guys, click on webmaster tools. Okay, so go on SEO general, webmaster tools. Now you need to verify your website with Google, and I'm going to show you exactly that. Click on Google Search Console. Once you're in your Google Search Console, you need to have a Gmail ID. Okay, so you need to create a Gmail ID. Once you just click on this link and you have a Gmail ID, it will open this thing. Click on HTML tag, copy the whole thing and paste it over here and just save changes. Voila guys, I think so. Congratulations again, you all have just verified your website with Google. It will help you much more faster. Your website will rank much more higher in Google. Now once this is done, the second thing what you have to do is XML sitemap. You see, so what you have to do is come on features, come on XML sitemap, just click over here, see the sitemap XML. Now the next thing what you have to do is go to Google Search Console. Click over here, as you could see, click on the first link, start now. Again, you need to have a Gmail ID. Now on the left hand side, just click on sitemaps. So now you're in your sitemaps. As you could see, copy this thing, sitemap underscore index.xml. Copy this thing. It's gonna be the same for all, so you can just come over here, paste this sitemap underscore index.xml and submit. Once this is submitted, it will show success. I've already done it. Okay, so you need to do the same. And guys, voila guys, you all are done. Everything is set, and this is how you set up the Yoast SEO plugin. This is the best setting. And now I'm just going to show you how to write a blog. Very easy, don't complicate. Okay, don't complicate. If you want to rank your website for football tricks, the first thing is this: search everything on football tricks. 10 football tricks. Okay, just go on Google, type football tricks, take the first link, invented them, open it, read it up, just type 30. So again, go back, something like this, copy it. Okay, so just paste on, this is the meta description, this is what you would see, and then just your focus keyword is football tricks. That's it. Just optimize it guys, make some changes. There are thousands of, make some changes. If there is something working, you just need to make it 10% better. So use 10% of your creativity. I hope everyone can do that, and just write the blog, something which is similar to that or which is much more better, and just post it guys. Don't think too much that how to write a perfect blog. Just do it. It's very easy, and this is how you could rank your website on #1 in Google. Just target keywords and try posting it. This is how you use the Yoast SEO. As you could see, this is fun. Yoast SEO. If you cannot see, just click over here, Yoast SEO. That's it, guys. Voila, congratulations, you all are done. And as I told you, I have a free bonus for you. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. Don't worry, if you have already created it, you need to watch it again, because I show you the best WordPress hosting, the best plugins to install, and how you could rank your website really easily on Google. The link is down below. And thanks for watching the video, and please consider subscribing and see you in the next video.